Hello guys, from iPhone 8 to iPhone 11 Pro Max, the iPhone is made of metal frame and glass back. The glass back looks really nice. It's very beautiful and elegant, but apparently it has a disadvantage. The glass back is very easy to damage. If you break the glass back, I believe you must be ever thinking about to replace the glass back by yourself. It seems very simple to fix it, but actually it's a complicated job to replace the glass back by yourself if you don't have experience in this. And I don't recommend you to replace it by yourself, because if the glass is broken into small pieces, it's very dangerous. Today I'd like to show you this video how to replace the glass back in a professional method with some professional machines. Okay, let's go. Now the laser machine is working. We can see the light from the right side to the left side, row by row. It's running very fast. This process takes about 2 minutes to finish it. And if you cannot take the glass back off, you need to run the second, even third times. Then you can replace the glass back. And we can see on the computer screen, there is a professional diagram on it. When you buy the machine from the factory will provide you the different diagrams for different iPhone models. This machine is really expensive. If you purchase from factory, the price is around $1,500. But it works very good. It's the most professional process to fix the glass back by this way. Now, the laser machine will finish running soon. Take off the broken glass. As you can see, this is an empty iPhone housing, so we can push the glass from the inside. If you repair the complete iPhone, maybe you need a suction disc to suck the glass. And now we make it in this method. You must be very, very careful to clean the broken glass. It's very dangerous. You see the broken glass is very sharp, and we need to make it by this method. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to finish it if you're a professional. Now it's coming to the end soon. Now we cut the camera ring by a hammer and knife. After that, we can take off the glass around the camera ring. Be careful to cut this ring, because it's easy to damage the camera lens. Even we have cut the camera ring, we still cannot take off all the broken glass around the camera. So now we are heating the rest glass. We change the direction to make sure every part of the broken glass is hitting. This process will take about 30 minutes. And we will finish the heating soon. Okay, we go on working for the rest glass. Now it's easy to take off the rest glass, and we clean the small pieces of the glass to make sure it's clean enough. We have to double confirm about the details. Now we clean the burnt adhesive with detergent. Now we use the V7000 glue to fix the new glass again. We put a new glass on the back and then fix the glass with some rubber bands. Now it comes to the final process. Just now we broke the camera ring, and now we put a new one to replace the original one. After 30 minutes, now let's check the result. And I take off the rubber bands. You see the rubber bands? It's really a simple but highly efficient method to fix the glass. The professional repairman used this to fix the glass. It's very nice. It's beautiful as a new one, and it's focused on the details, the edge, the corner, and the camera ring is very nice.